Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Overwatch 2 play now button not launching. So if I go to Battle.net, this button, basically you press this button and the game do not launch. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to end antivirus, basically turn off antivirus programs, keyboard and mouse apps like Razer or Logitech or FPS booster programs on Task Manager. So it can conflict with the game, especially Razer and other programs here. So like Razer Chroma, Razer Synapse, and all the keyboard and mouse related programs and antivirus programs. So make sure for a bit turn off these programs and then go to Battle.net and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another way what you can do here, maybe you have your game has basically corrupted files, so you just need to go to Overwatch 2 here, press this little cog icon here, and then press on scan and repair. And if your game basically had some corrupted files, it will be fixed and you can basically now play the game. And if the problem persists, then you need to basically clear Battle.net cache files. And to do so, you need to just completely close Battle.net and then go to Task Manager and also as well close all the tasks related to Battle.net here. And after you do so, as you can see here, there is no tasks left. And after you do so, then you need to go to on your Windows and I key. You just need to press your Windows and I key and then basically write %, program data, %, press OK. And then you need to find your Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment folders here. Don't worry, you can delete this because it's just a cache files. So delete these folders and then go to Battle.net. And then you need to log into your account. Verify. Then you need to complete the puzzle here. As you can see here. And after you do so, then you need to log in. You can see here. And after you log into your account, on Overwatch 2, as you can see here, you should see here not play the game but install. So what you need to do here next is to press on locate the game here and then go to your disk where you install the game. For me is disk C and then program files x86, and then I need to go to or basically locate my Overwatch 2 folder here and then press select folder here. And after you do so, then you just need to press update. It will not be long update, just a few seconds here, and then you should, as you can see here, I should able launch the game. But if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can basically enter the game with your Overwatch 2 exe file, and to do so, you need to go to your basically disk where you install the game. For me is disk C and program files x86. And then I need to find Overwatch 2 folder here, and then I need to go to retail, and here basically you can press this run as administrator and basically run the game. And from here basically you can enter the game. And if the problem persists here, sometimes it can be not on your end, sometimes it can be on Overwatch 2 servers. So maybe your region is down, so you can basically change to, for example, if you play on America servers, you can change it to Europe or Asia and just test it out if the problem basically is fixed or not. And yeah, so these all the ways how you can go around if your Overwatch 2 playing now button not launching. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.